Welcome in, healers, gardeners, first-time gardeners, professional gardeners. It is Charlene. If it's your first time here, I'm all about wellness, natural ways to heal. In this one, I'm talking about my garden and a mistake that I made. Hopefully, it will help someone out there. If you are going away for a weekend or a few days, please make sure that you buy those self-watering bulbs. I did not get it, although I have it in my Amazon store for those of you that might need it. But I did not get it because they said it's going to rain a lot. So I put my plants out so that they can receive the rain. And I'm like, okay, great. The rainwater is better for them. So why not? But when I came back, it felt like a heat wave out there. All of my plants were wilted or dried up, with the exception of my mint and maybe I believe 2 of my pepper plants, thankfully. So I immediately rushed to give them some water, and I already see that some of them are starting to look a little revived a little bit. Specifically the thyme that you can see here. No, this one actually is the parsley. That one looks a little revived as well, but the thyme right here, there it is. It looks so much better than when I first came. I was devastated. So when I'm going away again for another couple of days, I am going to get those self-watering bulbs, and just in case it rains, I'm going to put them under the shed, so this way I wouldn't have to worry about overwatering. This was a big mistake for me, and I hope that you don't make that mistake. So get those bulbs or those tubes, whatever you call them, to water the plants as you go away, and keep them in a shaded area. This way you're not going to overwater, or it's not going to get too much sunlight, especially those delicate plants like the spinach and mustard greens, if you're growing those. My spinach, like, they're completely gone. So send some positive vibes for my plants so that they can revive. Hope this helps somebody. Take good care, and if this is your type of vibe, you're into wellness, mindset, and natural ways to heal, definitely join our tribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Be always well.